one of the great things about, being a dasher and a YouTuber is, you can sit back and observe the community and kind of see what's going on. And, I don't want to be one to tell people what to do, to each his own. If it's profitable for you, hey, you do it. But for me, them trash orders, $3, $4, going 4 miles, $5 going 8 miles, I can't be profitable on those types of orders. You know what I'm saying? And especially no tip orders. So if you can make profit on no tip orders, that's more power to you. And it may be people out there who dashing on scooters, who walking, who got bikes. They can make a profit on no tip orders. So I don't want to tell people don't do this, don't do that. I'm just saying, for me, look, I'm driving a Ford Escape, okay? So I can't take no tip orders. That's just me. My number one thing is this. The reason I downloaded DoorDash, for one, was to order some food. And then for two, when I found out that I can make a little money on the side, delivering other people food. So it's all about the extra money for me, If you making profits, that's all that it's about. It don't matter if you're taking $2 orders, $3 orders, $4 orders, however many miles. If you making profits, that's all that matters. Only thing I'm saying is I can't make profit on no tip order. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of us out here can't make profit on no tip orders. And the concept is, DoorDash is paying like a base pay of like $2 on average. They say between $2 and $10. Okay. We all know that they average, about $2 to $2.25. If it's a stack order, it's gonna be $2. So with that said, I can show you the earnings right here. 60 to 70% of your tips, sometimes even 80% of your weekly earnings comes from tips. So this is a tip-based business, is what I'm trying to say.